subscribe for daily esoteric sleep meditations, and comment your next meditation request. As you prepare for this journey, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. Now, let's begin to relax. 10. Start to feel the heaviness in your feet. Allow any tension to melt away. 9. Feel that relaxation flow up into your ankles. Each breath guides you deeper. 8. Let it move into your calves. You are becoming more at ease with every count. 7. Sense this wave of relaxation rise into your knees. Imagine a warm light enveloping your legs. 6. Draw your focus to your thighs, releasing any remnants of tension. Feel your muscles loosen. 5. As you approach the midpoint, allow this sense of peace to travel into your hips and lower back. You're safe, you're secure. 4. Let that relaxation fill your abdomen. With every breath, feel how calm you are becoming. 3. Focus on your chest now, expanding with every breath you take, filling your body with tranquility. 2. Let this soothing sensation flow into your shoulders, releasing the weight you've carried. Feel it drop away. 1. Now let that deep relaxation envelop your neck and head. Your mind is clear, and you're ready to enter a state of peaceful awareness. Picture a serene scene as you listen to the miracle stories of Jesus. Allow these miracles to resonate within you. Think of each story as a means to awaken the divine energy inside, a power that connects you to the universe. Embrace the essence of each miracle as it unfolds. You are now in a relaxed state, receptive to the wisdom and insight that these stories will impart. Not just for the mind, but for the soul. Allow your subconscious to absorb the teachings. Embrace the vibrations of the miracles. Stay present and let them guide you through this meditation. You are tapping into the profound power of faith and belief. Remember whatever resonates with you, hold it closely. Let it serve as a reminder of your own potential. Each story will illuminate pathways within you that lead to greater understanding and truth. Stay open, allow these teachings to unfold, and prepare yourself for the miracles that lie ahead. Each count helped you relax deeper, and now you're fully open to experience miraculous stories that will guide your dreams. As you continue your journey into restful sleep, let your consciousness drift to the joyous occasion at the wedding in Cana. Imagine the vibrant atmosphere filled with laughter, love, and celebration. The beautiful decorations glimmer in the soft light, and the aroma of delightful food permeates the air. Picture yourself blending in with the feast, sipping on fine wine, surrounded by good company. Amidst this joy, a subtle worry arises. The wine has run out, and a sense of concern washes over the host. Yet, this moment of uncertainty is imbued with a hidden miracle waiting to unfold. As you delve deeper into this scene, visualize Mary, the mother of Jesus, observing the distress. Feel her compassion as she approaches her son. She speaks with faith and conviction, knowing that he can transform this situation. They have no more wine, she says, but implicit in her words is a call for divine intervention. Jesus, with a profound understanding, instructs the servants to fill the large stone jars with water. Picture the dazzlement in the air, a moment filled with anticipation. As water is poured into those jars, feel the energy build around you, electrifying the atmosphere, stirring faith and possibilities. Now, as the servants obey his command, visualize yourself witnessing the transformation. The waters swirl within those jars, as if dancing to the divine rhythm of creation. With a deep breath, anticipate the moment of manifestation. The water not only transforms, but resonates with the essence of joy, laughter, and abundance. Then, when the master of the banquet tastes the wine, feel the astonishment rippling through the crowd. This isn't just any wine, it's the best they have ever tasted. Allow this miracle to to seep into your being. It symbolizes not only the power of belief, but the abundant gifts that faith can bring into our lives. As you bask in this energy, let it flow through you. Know that, like the transformation of water into wine, your own life has the power to be reshaped. Embrace the possibilities that lie before you. Let this story of divine provision serve as an affirmation of abundance and change. Carry this feeling with you as we gently move toward the next miracle, allowing the essence of what you've just experienced to linger in your heart as a reminder of your own potential for transformation. As you maintain this tranquil state, allow your thoughts to flow to a vast shoreline where Jesus is teaching and healing the multitudes. Picture the people gathered around him, eager to witness his wisdom and miraculous works. The energy is palpable. You can feel their anticipation humming in the air. Visualize the sun shining brightly above, casting a warm glow on the faces that surround him. There is an undeniable sense of hope and faith woven into the fabric of this gathering. As the day progresses, however, you notice the crowd's hunger growing, their stomachs rumbling softly, a reminder of their earthly needs amidst spiritual fulfillment. As if sensing this need, Jesus speaks to his disciples. His voice carries a gentle authority, inviting them to consider how to feed the thousands that have come to him. Picture the disciples looking around, calculating the impossibility of fulfilling this challenge, realizing their limited resources. 5 loaves and 2 fishes lie at hand an inconsequential amount compared to the vast crowd. Let this moment resonate within you. Feel the tension of doubt as a tangible weight. Yet, watch as Jesus takes the loaves and fishes, lifting them toward the heavens with a heart full of gratitude. With every ounce of faith, he blesses this humble offering. Experience the energy shift as his connection with the divine amplifies the power of this meager meal. Now, as he breaks the bread and distributes it, visualize the people receiving it with astonishment. With each piece handed out, the numbers multiply, flowing into their hands like an endless stream of abundance. Amid the crowd, joy swells, and feelings of disbelief turn into awe. Allow yourself to embrace this miracle, knowing that just as they were fed, so too can your own life be filled with abundance beyond measure. See how the loaves and fishes do not merely satisfy hunger. They connect people, reminding them of the power of sharing, faith, and love. As you bask in this profound moment of divine provision, feel the warmth of hope envelop you. Just as Jesus took the ordinary and transformed it into something extraordinary, know that you too can manifest abundance in your life. Embrace this powerful energy, carrying it within you as we seamlessly transition toward the next miracle, holding tight to the realization that the impossible can become possible in your own journey. As we move deep